Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zip and unzip any file on your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to locate the file that you wish to zip on your PC. So navigate to this file that you want to zip and simply right-click on it. You will now see the Compress to option. Once you highlight this, you will see the zip file option. Go ahead and click on it. And now this will create a zipped folder of this file that you just selected right away. You may simply rename your folder, and now you can access this compressed folder and find your file inside. If you wish to unzip this file, you can simply right-click and then click on Extract All, and this will now extract your file on the directory that you define as soon as you click on the Extract button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to zip and unzip any file on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.